How to not gain YouTube subscribers. Yes, it is I, Decades Preston, here today to tell you how to lose subscribers and how to not gain subscribers. First things first, don't go DMing random people on Twitter or Instagram or whatever the hell you're using. Don't do that. Don't go DMing random people and be like, hey, check out my channel. Don't go into YouTube channel and random people and be like, hey, that's a good video. Come check out my shit. It's better. Or anything like that. Don't do that. The only thing you're doing is making people be like, yes, this is bad shit. Well, I'm not gonna watch this. No, don't do that. You want to promote yourself. There are other ways to do that. Another thing you can do to lose subscribers and to not gain subscribers is upload shitty content. Don't upload shitty content if you want subscribers, that is. Don't upload shitty content if you want to gain subscribers. If you want to lose them, upload the shittiest content you want. Alright, another way to lose subscribers and to not gain subscribers is to clickbait. Put a bunch of arrows in your titles, make a video, make a thumbnail and a title that doesn't relate to the video. That's a surefire way to not get subscribers and to lose your current ones. Don't do that. Anyway, so yeah, that was a quick video. I thought I need to make this public service announcement for any of you guys that want to do YouTube. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you notice, this isn't the building, because this is my new setup in my own room with a bunk bed above me. But that's not important. Good luck getting subscribers.